Welcome to day 2 of the letter D. We are going to be adding our downstrokes and upstrokes to this letter. And I never like to leave my upstrokes as just a single pencil line because we're going to have to add really quite thick downstrokes to account for these jewels. It doesn't make sense that we would have a pen or material that is this thick for a downstroke and this thin for an upstroke. I always like to add a little bit of weight onto my upstrokes as well, just to make them even stronger and make them have a place where they belong as part of the letter, not sort of an afterthought. There are 2 ways to account for the jewels in your downstrokes, and the first is to simply make your downstroke wide enough to fit the jewel. But I feel like that is going to take over our letter. So instead, let's just make a downstroke that works its way around the jewel, as if it was maybe the diamond on a ring, so that you still have the setting holding the diamond in there, but it's not that thick band all the way around. Draw a downstroke outside of your initial guideline, and you want to make sure that it's as consistent in width as possible, and then you're going to keep that width around your diamonds. So you're drawing essentially an outline to your first line. I like to draw little lines as I go to build up the overall shape, but if you're more comfortable drawing one single line and just continuing that, that is absolutely okay. If you prefer to do a few little lines at a time to build it up, that's also a perfectly fine strategy. And now we've given our D the structure that it deserves. There are upstrokes on the areas where it's not going down, which is confusing because cross strokes are also the same thickness as upstrokes, so really we should come up with a word that encompasses both of them. And then downstrokes, the areas where a pen is moving down the page, are nice and thick and also bejeweled. Next time we're going to use color to make this pop even more.